The Prime Minister and UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi will launch the first direct cash transfer scheme through the unique identification or Aadhaar cards for NREGA workers in Rajasthan. Under this scheme, NREGA workers will get cash payments through their unique biometric identity, which in this case is a fingerprint. But social scientists say direct cash transfers don't always work.
In 3 villages in Ranchi's Ratu block, workers under MNREGA are part of a pilot project that is looking at how direct cash transfers can work for government schemes like this one. With their UID cards in hand, these workers have been given bank accounts and now a mobile ATM is in their village to give them their payments. No middlemen, no cuts and haftas. It's a direct cash transfer.
जाते हैं बैंक तो वहाँ हम लोग को आने जाने में भाड़ा लगता है और लाइन लगना पड़ता है और मिल गया तो मिल गया, वो भी आपस आना पड़ता है। दिन भर का हम लोग का मजदूरी काम खत्म हो गया। यहाँ हम लोग के सुविधा हो गया, एक ही दिन में हम लोग का काम यहाँ अंगूठा लगाते हैं और पैसा मिल पाता है।
But NGOs who have studied the scheme say, here in Jharkhand, it is on too small a scale to be really considered a success. Only 50-odd beneficiaries in 3 villages were benefited under this pilot project. When the project is taken up on a larger scale, other issues are likely to prove stumbling blocks. For example, more than 15% workers in the country don't have Aadhaar cards. And the biometric system of using a fingerprint can also have many technical faults. Often fingerprints do not register, especially in the case of the elderly. So old age pensions may not work as smoothly under direct cash transfers. But for now, this ambitious scheme of the UPA government looks all set for a formal launch. Whether it really takes off remains to be seen. With Haribansh Sharma in Jharkhand and Harsha Kumari Singh in New Delhi, Sanjukta Kar for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.